Hi everyone, this is Marcia Sekhose from Hindustan Times, and today we have another budget phone from Vivo, and it's the Vivo U20. This phone comes with features like a triple camera setup, a notch display and a big 5000 mAh battery. It is also an upgrade over the U10 in areas like the camera, the display and the processor. Now let's go ahead and unbox this phone. So the first thing that we have here is the phone case, the transparent phone case. Then you have the SIM ejector pin and the manual booklet. Now this is the phone. We have the blue color variant as you can see here, but the Vivo U20 also comes in another black color one as well. This is the charging adapter that Vivo provides with the U20, and this is the charging cable. As you can see, the Vivo U20 has a micro USB port. Now let's check out the phone. So the Vivo U20 has a 6.53-inch Full HD Plus display. You have the water drop or teardrop style notch, whatever you like to call it, on top here, which also houses the selfie camera. You have the volume rocker and the power button placed on the right side of the phone. At the bottom, you'll see that there is the speaker grill, the micro USB port and the headphone jack. Moving on, at the rear panel, you can see that there is the fingerprint sensor and the triple camera setup. So as you can see here, the Vivo U20 runs on FunTouch OS 9.2, which is based on Android 9 Pie. As many of you will be aware, on Vivo phones, you have the shortcut menu on the bottom part and not on the top part. So you'll have to pull up the shortcut menu, which is here. You'll find all the shortcut features for dark mode, then there is Wi-Fi, vibration, mobile data, Bluetooth and more. You also have the screen brightness control and the volume bar here. Now on top here, what you have is another shortcut tab for like events, then your home address, YouTube links and more, which you can customize on your own. So out here is where all the notifications will appear, and what we have here is Vivo's Jovi Smart Scene, which is basically an AI-based assistant for all your shortcuts that you have on your phone. So the phone has a fingerprint sensor, but it also supports face unlock. And powering the smartphone is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 processor. It comes in 3 RAM options, that's 4GB, 6GB and 8GB. And there are 2 storage options for users to choose, that's 64GB and 128GB. Now the battery is a 5000 mAh battery, as I've already said in the intro, and along with it you get 18-watt fast charging support, which is pretty good even though the phone doesn't have a Type-C port. Also, another thing you'll notice about the FunTouch OS is that it comes with a lot of pre-installed apps. Now people who aren't a fan of bloatware can get them deleted, as most of these apps are like Facebook, Amazon, Gaana, WhatsApp, Hello. These are not a built-in like company apps, so you can always delete them. On top of that, you'll also get the Google suite of apps like Chrome, Gmail, Maps, YouTube and so on. Moving on to the camera. On the front here, you'll get a 16 megapixel selfie camera, and then as you can see here at the back, there is a triple camera setup, so you get a combination of a wide angle lens and a macro lens as well. Now the phone also comes with AI based features like AI portrait mode. So this was the Vivo U20. We'll be back with more phones and gadgets, so keep watching Hindustan Times.